Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Uber Eats promo not applied. So what you can do is there are 3 to 4 steps what you can try. First of all, check if your promo code is expired or not. If that is not expired, so what you can do is check if your promo code is valid for the specific order that you are trying to do. And if so, what you can do is simply go to the Play Store and try to check if your app is up to date. As you can see, I have already updated the app. So if there is any update available for your app, you can simply update the app and go for it and check if your promo code is working or not. After that, if you still face the issue, simply go to the mobile settings, scroll down and find the option applications and go to app manager. Your option might be similar to this and scroll down and find your app named Uber Eats. And go to simply storage and just clear the cache and clear data. Click clear, and after that simply log in again, and hopefully your issue will be solved. So that is a simple process of how to fix Uber Eats promo not applied.